2 years ago, an incredible magic trick by To-Me Magic was released. It was performed by professionals all over the world, both on social media and live performances. We were so inspired by this that we took a new design, made it more organic, and that everybody will recognize as soon as they see it. You will receive 2 gimmicks already personalized and extra accessories to show you step by step how to create your own gimmick. You will learn how to perform this in just a few minutes. It's real magic. It's magic that will always be in your hands. This will be a killer effect for all your audience. Are you ready?